Hello, Mr. Fries, Algebra 2. This is February 12th, and we're looking at the factoring worksheet. Convert each of the following trinomials into factored form. I'm going to do the odd ones. Remember, it's, I don't know, it's kind of easier for me to do the last ones and be thinking about the FOIL method, going backwards, changing from factored into non-factored, because I'm thinking of these first few. I'm thinking of working them backwards. So let's talk about these last two first. So I'm going to take the first in times the first, using that for first outside inside last this method. So first times the first is going to be x squared. Outside times the outside, x times a negative 4 is going to be negative 4x. Inside times these two that are inside, 3 times x is going to be a positive 3. And then the last one, so I'm going to multiply the last. 3 times negative 4 is negative 12. I combine these like terms, and then I have x squared minus x minus 12. This I got to write out so that I could use the FOIL method. So x plus 15 squared is just 2x plus 15s. And so I do x times x is x squared. The outside x times 15 is 15x. The inside 15 times x is 15x. And the last 15 times 15 is 225. I combine my like terms and I get x squared plus 30x plus 225. So thinking backwards, what can I multiply together to get 7? But when I add them, when I put them with my two b's, I add them, I get 8b. Well, that would be 7 and 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 7 times 1 is 7. So that's how I think of it, when I'm kind of thinking of it backwards. This one, what would I multiply together to get 49? But it is a negative 49. But when I add them together, I would get nothing because there is no there's no middle term here. So that would be, 7 and 7. And if I have one positive and one negative, I'd have a positive 7x and a negative 7x. So they would cancel out. So that would just be x squared minus 49. And then lastly, what two numbers, when I add them together with their x's, would give me 26x. But when I multiply them together, I get 169. Well, that would be 13. So this becomes x plus 13 and x plus 13. Hopefully this helps, and have a good weekend.